Let's begin with the die spray, a critical component of die casting. Die spray is applied to the die to facilitate the casting process by providing several benefits, including enhancing the release of casting, reducing heat's buildup, and extending the life of die. Now, let's shift our focus to the thermocouple, which play a vital role in monitoring the temperature within the die. Thermocouple located near the surface of the die responds rapidly to change in temperature. This responsiveness is crucial for real-time monitoring and control during the casting process. In contrast, the thermocouple positioned deeper within the die take significantly longer to respond to the temperature fluctuations. The differing response time of thermocouples at various depths have an important implication for die casting operations. Precious temperature control is essential in die casting to ensure the quality of the final product. The delayed response of a deeper thermocouples can lead to temperature variation that may affect casting quality. To mitigate the response time differences between surface and deep thermocouples, careful consideration must be given to their placement and calibration.